Vuosaari metro station in Helsinki. 10 persons wait on programs. What? Holy shit. Let's hope it's working. It is. Operator evaluation. Built in 1998. Age 68943. 10 persons wait on programs. Oh, this did go to this floor.
Yeah.
Here's the metro track or third rail.
Very nice, same series doors.
It has VF motor.
Yeah.
Is it IGBT or GTO?
CTO, I think.
But it's very boring.
Yeah.
Even more boring than the SR2 series. Oh, sorry, SR2 logo. The indicator lights are LED, unfortunately.
Alright. Okay. I'll chip it. I think expected by you expected maybe by.
Ha! Epic door close.
Yeah.
It'll get busted very fucking soon. So let's get out.
No, let's take fixtures.
Yeah, but let's end the video here. These are a little bit torn.
That's
That's